Hello. What I'm going to do today is to give you a quick overview on how to list a single product to an eBay shop. Okay. Before you do that, everything needs to be in place. All the configurators need to be set up, etc., etc. I am just basically going to show you a quickly, on how to list to eBay, to your eBay shop. Okay. So we're in linnlive at the moment. To get to there, this is the URL for linnlive. Also, can I just say before, if you can't see the menu, the mouse for some reason, then I apologise for that. You should be able to see it, but just in case if you can't, then I'll just move you around and tell you where you need to go. Okay, so once you've put in the URL, which is linnlive.com, scroll right down to the bottom, and you will see two tabs. One is the US. For those who live in the US, we'll click through here. Those who live in Europe, we'll click through here. So as I live in the UK, I live in Europe, I'm going to click through here. Right, it's going through the linnlive menu. It will come to my login details. So you put in your login details, your password, click through. And you will see 4 tabs: inventory, variation, configures, menu, mapping. You've got your change log, documentation, hints and tips, and then along the top you've got some other set of menus giving you data and etc., etc. So I'm going to click through inventory. Click through inventory. And there you will see, this is the actual search bar where you'll input the information or the title of the product you're looking for here. But before you do that, you need to make sure that it goes to, for instance, you might have 3 or 4 or 5 feeds. And for some reason, linnworks always, for me, goes to default. So to make sure it will pick up all your feeds or inventory, click on this bar here. Show quantity from stock location, and as you can see, it's gone to default with the green tick on it. It would have been nice to have gone to combined stock, then I wouldn't have to keep clicking through there, but just in case, it's best to always that's if you get more feed or more stock of inventory from different places. If you've just got one source, which you've input yourself, then that wouldn't be a problem. But because I've got 3 feeds from these 3 companies, then it becomes a bit of a problem. So to overcome that, I click on combine stock. Okay. So once I've done that, let me just show you that it's actually put the green. There you go. There's the green arrow there. So once I'm happy with that, I then put in the product that I want to look for, which is I'm going to put in Apple. Click on search here, and it will search for the product and eventually come up, and here we are. And we've got 462 products that it's found. We'll quickly go over the menu on the top here. You've got SKU, item title, available quantity, on order. Now these are my eBay shops. I've got 3: eBay 1, eBay 0, eBay 1, eBay 2. I've got my brother's Amazon shop and my own Amazon shop here. These are the products, as you can see here. So I'm going to look for something to list. An Apple product. Let's have a look for something. It doesn't really matter. Anything we can basically look for. Okay, this looks something nice to list on. Okay, I'm going to just check what it is, because I don't know what it says. Apple Cinema display, so I'm just going to check it through the SKU tab, which is in blue. So I'm going to click on that tab, and it's a screen. So I'm going to list that. I want to list that. So I'll see the price there. I'm just going to change the price. But before I do that, look, you've got the item number. You've got a barcode number. This will be populated to eBay. You've got item title. You've got the purchase price, retail price. The description is in here as well, and also the picture. You must have a picture before you can display on eBay now, otherwise it just won't list. So I'm going to change this price because it's a little bit high. Let me change it to 140. Don't want to be too greedy. Click on save, and there was a little flash there. You have to close this down yourself to get rid of it. So you close that, and as I can see, there's 3 in stock. I'm going to list this in Cablecom 1. Okay, so I'll leave my mouse hovering over the 0, right click, and as you can see, the menu comes up with create listings. This is the menu I need to go to. Okay, create listings, eBay configurator. That should have already been set up for you. I'm not going to show you that at the moment. Maybe in a later video. Click through. It will now come to another menu, and there are other titles here. But when you get to this menu, it's looking good to list. The title is correct because it's not in red. If it was in red, it would be showing that the title was too long. You then have to shorten it, keep it within eBay's listing, the amount of characters that you're allowed within eBay. Otherwise it won't list. Now there are other information in pricing. You can change the pricing if you want. Actually, I'm going to change the pricing here because I don't know why it's showing that. I'm going to change it to 40. Okay, that's your last chance basically. And now I'm going to click on create. Click on create. It's creating the listing. Bang, there you go. It's in green, which means that has definitely been listed on eBay. Okay, so you'll be able to start making some money from that. But this is definitely listed. Okay, so that was just a quick overview on how to list your product from linnworks live. So any more information, you can go to linnworks.com. Okay, thanks very much for your time.